What's going on YouTube? In today's video, I will be showing you how to change the light bulb in your brake light. Now the light bulb I will be changing is the center high-rise brake light. In the car that I will be demonstrating this on is my personal 2011 Kia Rio. Now to get access to the light bulb, you want to pop the trunk. Now in order to get access to the light bulb, you want to twist this to the left, pull it down, and now you have access to the light bulb. And as you can see, this is clearly blown. Next, all you gotta do is just take the old bulb out, put the new bulb in, and put the light bulb back into its housing. And the bulb size for this car is a 921. I went with an LED bulb because they are brighter, they last longer, and they're more durable. Now, if this video was helpful to you, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my social media, and have a blessed day.